Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Garden Plants K. In today's video we will talk about the coleus plants propagation. So these are the coleus plants, and coleus plants likes the bright sunlight. So as you keep them in the sunlight, the leaves color also changes accordingly. And if you keep them in the semi-shade area, the colors of the leaves doesn't look that bright. And as they keep on growing, you can cut off the stem from the middle of this, and you can replant it, and you can just put it in the another pot, and we can make a number of pots from the single plant. So you can see these are my coleus plants, to which I already propagated, and I can just take you around my pots that I have done the propagation of the coleus plants. So you can see these are the coleus plants over here. You can see these are the different leaves, all are different. So accordingly I cut it off from the stem, you can see over here, and I've just planted it in the soil. Soil mixture that I used is the equal quantity of soil, sand and the compost and the cocoa peat. See, this is already started sprouting the tiny leaves. See, all these plants I have propagated. You can see the different colors of the leaves. That looks very bright. You can see this coleus plants. So this is all the propagations that I've done from my grown-up plants. See, even this plant is slightly stem is big. So if you want, if we can cut it from here, then you can make the two plants from the single plant. So this way you can increase the number of plants and your coleus collection. So this all are different collection of my coleus plants, you can see here, and all these are propagations from my coleus plants. So in this way you can add the number of plants and the collection and the new addition in your garden. You can see here, this is also the propagation. The leaves have started coming up for the plants, and after propagations I have kept them in the direct sunlight. I have not kept it in the semi-shade area, as they like sunlight. We already know that if we keep them in the semi-shade area, they will not survive and it will not grow into healthy plant. So that's the reason I already, after propagation and planting them, I kept them in the direct sunlight. So within a one day, it has come back to the life, and you can see how it looks now. So this is the plants that I have propagated, and it has become quite long now. You can see this plant also, and you can see the different types of leaves they have and the structure of the leaves. And once you start propagating, you just see to that every day you give the water for the plants, both the times, in the morning as well as in the evening, so that it will retain the moisture for the plants, and the plants will survive even in the extreme sunlight. This one, as we keep them in a direct sunlight, sometimes the leaves pattern also and the color also changes accordingly if you keep them in a direct sunlight. And coleus plant looks bright just because of its leaves pattern. You can see this also looks quite pretty. So these are my coleus plants, my collection, and I have done the propagation. Also similarly, you can exchange with your friend circle. If you don't have any of the variety, and if your friend is having, then you can definitely exchange with your friend circle, and you can take the variety that is not available with you, and that you can add in your garden. See, all these are coming up. All these are coming up over here. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again for watching.